How to fix local video recording in OBS Studio. I am Shashank. Welcome to another video. First, stop all of your recordings because you can't change any settings while recording. Go to OBS Studio settings, then go to the Videos tab. Now you can see what is your base resolution. Select the highest resolution and click apply. Now you can see what is your output resolution. Select the highest resolution and click apply. Then select common FPS values as 30 and click apply. Then go to the Output tab. Select Output mode as Simple. Now go to the Recording section. Select Recording quality as High quality. Then select the recording format as MP4. Finally, select encoder as Hardware QSV H264. Click apply and click OK. Then restart the OBS Studio and enjoy high resolution recordings. So thanks for watching my videos. If this video is useful for you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.